Okay, if you see, I am still in my New Year's mode, and I am really not feeling like going out of it. I am enjoying this wishing New Year's every time. So yes, today is Friday, and I am trying my level best to be regular, and it is difficult though, but yes, it was kind of my New Year resolution that I will be regular on my YouTube, and I'm gonna see you guys every Friday here, so you can see me and watch me and know so many things, and like, you know, oh, I love it. And yes, so this time, like, this is not a tutorial or something. This is about what I felt in 2017 about the makeup products, or in short, straightly, let me come to the point, the products I've used the most in 2017. I'm going to talk about it. I am not sure all of them were you know, they were launched in 2017 or not, but I came across these products and I felt like they are like a must have if you guys wanna invest. You know, sometimes what we do is, like, when a new product is launched, we are like, oh my god, this is amazing, this is the first review, and we love it. But I feel we come to know about the product once we use it, like, completely. If you see me watching there here and again, because I want to see that I am in focus, so I'm filming by myself, so that's why. So okay, so the products that I'm gonna talk about is randomly, not like my most favorite to least favorite. No, whatever I feel, I'm just doing it. So the first product let's talk about is eyeshadow palette, and this is it. I mean, Huda Beauty, yes, I am little biased towards it, but it is worth it, believe me. I have used this, if you've been following me for quite a while, you guys know that I've used this product even in my live sessions, videos, or my brides, or anywhere. I have used this a lot. And if I had to you know, pick in 2017 any product that, you know, like, I have to pick up one palette for everything, for holidays or for anything, I used to use this palette. There was another palette like Desert Dusk later on, but somehow I stick to this one thing because it has this black, and I really feel that any eyeshadow palette that has black and the mirror is like very good, and good transition shades, and I just love. Sandalwood is like my favorite. This one is like my favorite. It works awesome on I am NC 35, so if you are NC 35, it will really work well on this. So I love it. So this is a palette, but I've not used this one today. I received this palette in 2017. I purchased it. It was launched then, but I don't call it as the most used one because I received it at the last week of December, and this is it. It smells so good. I have applied Hola for a Dola today on my lids. It's very easy. Look guys, if you want me to have a tutorial on this, I can do that because it's very simple with this palette. But anyhow, I'm gonna talk about this palette later on because I love it though, but today is Huda. So I think this has like all the shades, and if you want to invest in any of one palette, then this is the one. Like, I really feel this is too good. Okay, so next let's come to randomly. Okay, the Kajal. I use this Kajal so much. It's by Maybelline Colossal Kajal in super black, and I have used it for my regular use. This is like so good, and drugstore products are not so expensive. By the same line, Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, I purchased it from London, I think. I'm not sure we get it here, but we do have this online. So yes, I have used this also in my regular use a lot. Okay, then we come to is this product. I mean, I've used it so much. Yes, I have used one more product which I don't have it here, is in the same eyebrow pencil in LA Girl. I have used a lot, the same kind. It has a spoolie on one side and it has a pencil on the other. This one is by Benefit. This is Goof Proof Brow Pencil and it's shade 5, and I have used it right now also. I have used this one, and Oh man, this is awesome. I have used this so good, and especially for those who have very light eyebrows like mine. I'm like, this just paint. Okay, I have very light eyebrows. I don't want to hide that. If you guys are there on my Snapchat, or even if you watch my tutorials, yes, you can see that yes, I have very light eyebrows, and I have some issues with eyebrows, and I am sick of talking about it again and again, that about the uneven thing. I have this problem. I can't do anything about it. But yes, the only thing is that I love to shape my brows and like fill them up, and I do that with this only. Very good. Okay, then we have is the foundations. Let's come to foundations first. Okay, so I have it's not one, but there are two foundations I loved the most in 2017. Of course, one is yay, Huda Beauty Faux Filter. This is like my favorite. I have used this so much. I think it's about to get finished. You can imagine how much I've used it. No, it's not about to finish. It's still there. It's there. And the other one in drugstore that I have used the most is this by LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I have used this like regularly. My shade is nude beige, and you guys, this one is like so light, good coverage, stays for so long, and good price. Like amazing. I really love this foundation, and this one, yes, for sure is about to get over. Yes, so you can imagine how much I've used. Okay, then is this by Urban Decay Heavy Metal. I mean, it's a glitter liner, but I love to just use it as like glitter sprinklers on my lid. I have used this a lot, and I love this product. And then is like my holy grail, guys. If you guys know me well, I am very finicky about my dark circles, and I do not want them to be visible at all. So I had this product like Shape Tape by Tarte. I have two of them of these shades, like one is medium, one is light medium. When I am not wearing much of like heavy makeup, then I use medium, and it's like light on my dark circles, and it's kind of like almost natural to my skin color. When I have foundation and there's like finesse on the skin, then I like to use it in like more of contouring and highlighting. So that is the time when I use light medium in it. And again, I'm telling I'm NC35, so you can choose the shade accordingly. But this is like if you have dark circles, if you have lines, and if you want good coverage, lightweight, this one had like, it saved my life. Seriously, it saved my life. And if you can spend further more about it, then by Kevin O'Coin is the it is a skin enhancer. You can use it like, it comes in a container like this, and you can use it like foundation as well, but I like to use it like concealer, and like it's awesome. It's really awesome. It's kind of the same like this, but yes, the texture is different. This is more like liquidy, and this one is creamy. So once the way you want the coverage to be, you can do it like that. Okay, then is this product. I don't know if it was launched in 2017 or not, but I had a hand on this from the Canada side, and then I asked my dad to get it because he was in US and Canada, and there was some family friends, so I told them to receive my parcel. So I purchased it from the US side, and I asked them to deliver it in Canada because he was kind of like, oh, light. So he was kind of the day it was being delivered, he was in Canada, so I had to order the delivery address as Canada. So the problem was, It was very good price, like very economical from the US side, but once I was delivering it in Canada, it asked me for international shipping and the charges and all that. This is by the way, this is by Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water, and I use it like 2 to 3 times or 4 times or 5 times if I feel like I want, like, you know, little, you know, I want to smell nice, and I just want, because if we spray around 2 to 3 times, it works because you are shining. Like, I'm just gonna apply this for you on one side, and I'm gonna show you how it works because I just love it, and the way you know, it kind of gives me dewy finish. I can use it even otherwise, even after I have washed my face, and I just use that for that dewy finish and hydration. I can also use it on top of the makeup. So okay, so what we do is, okay, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm just gonna spray it here so that you can see the difference. So what I'm gonna do is, and I will let it dry off. Okay, this one. You can see already the shine on my face. I purposely didn't do it before so that I thought I could give you a demo, because many of you have asked me, even on my Snapchat, that I hope you can hear it with this, even on my Snapchat, that, you know, is it good, and you know, like, can we use it on makeup and all that. So guys, okay, I think it's dry. So you see the shine and you see this. Can you see the difference in both? I hope you guys can see. This is the highlighter that I have put, and this is the dewiness. I hope you guys can see that. This is, yeah. So you see this. I'm tempted to do it other side also. So I hope you could understand what I'm saying. It smells so good, and this is a product that, of course, if you're in India and you really have no way out to get this, like get hand on this, you have to buy it from the resellers. And if you want to know the resellers, I'm going to put in the description box below, and you can know that which resellers you can purchase from, and yeah, yes, give them a reference. Okay, so this is a product that I feel is very good for skin, and I have used a lot. So next product is this. I have used this regularly, guys. This is a baked highlighter by Pact, and this is shade 04, and oh my god, this is like so amazing. I'm just gonna show you. You see this? This is like so good, and I have applied this only right now. So you can see I have used this so much in 2017, but still you see there's so much of product, and the best is it has a mirror. So thumbs up. And best, it's just for 850 rupees. Like, I purchased it for 850 rupees. So this is a product that I feel, they do have other shades also in this, but this is a highlighter where I feel like someone wants to buy a highlighter and don't want to spend on it, then this is for you, because it kind of blends. It's so buttery, and it kind of sits on your you know, on your face so well. I just love that. Okay, then is contouring palette, my favorite. I have like so many of contouring palettes, but believe me, my heart was taken away by this Kat Von D Shade and Light powder contour. Guys, the density of this, I have applied this only right now. How intense the colors are when I blend it. One, blending is awesome. Why I have gone so slow while talking? Like, blending, superb. And even about the colors it goes on my kind of skin, awesome. I mean, the way the upper highlighted powder, if I just do it, like I just kind of set that area with this, it works so well. And I feel like this one I used it more of like when I'm doing layering, or like superb for pictures or for videos, or when I want a strong contouring, I used to do that. Otherwise I did this majorly for my you know, for my pictures or parties or anything, but this one I did it mostly in kind of summer, and you know, when it was very light makeup, so I just did this one. But more than this, of course, I loved these two, so it was good. So guys, the last product that I feel was, yes, the lashes by Usher. I have used this so much, and I have like the other one as well. This one is by Give Me More, but my favorite is this Charmer. This, I have used it so much, guys. It's reusable for 25 times and it costs around 2,000 rupees, but guys, buy it from usherbeauty.com. Yes, usherbeauty.com, on Insta or anything. So these are my favorite of 2017, and I feel like I have used them the most. And if you guys think that yes, you liked my video, I'm sorry, I was just distracted. If you guys think that you want to share this with anyone, please share it, like it, and please give me genuine comments down at the description box. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, because I love you. Okay guys, Happy New Year again. I'll see you next Friday, and love you. I love you guys.